Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Faisal Sir here. Dear students, today I am going to discuss from the subject science the very important questions. In this material, we are covering the complete syllabus of science. Okay, and please make sure that these are the very valuable questions, and this material is being prepared from higher authorities, that is Vijnana Spurti. Those people have prepared this material. We found that definitely even this material also can help you out. That is the reason I am uploading this video. Please, you can utilize these questions and you can start practicing. And second thing I like to tell you very importantly, how many materials you refer, that much confusions will create. Okay, so what you are supposed to do is, in science it's something like from the ocean you are taking a glass of water. Do you think, can we find any difference in the water content like in the ocean? Okay, no, we cannot find any difference. Even here also the same thing. Sir, how many materials are there, what to study, what not to study, I am confused. So most probably you may have such type of doubt. Understood? For that reason I am saying you, just try to see the question and see the answer. Remember the basics. Remember the basics. If you find any question as difficult or you are seeing for the first time, you can practice that question. Here I am not going to explain you these all question and answers because we don't have that much sufficient time, and definitely your exam is nearby. That is the reason I'll just go on scrolling down. You can start referring those questions. Okay, अभी मैं इसके अंदर क्या कर रहा हूँ तो बोले तो बच्चों, अभी इसके अंदर मैं बस स्क्रॉल कर लेके जाते रहता हूँ. आप बस ये पूरे क्वेश्चन को एक बार पॉज करके पढ़ लीजिएगा कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपको कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट दिखेगा, कौन सा आंसर आपको पता नहीं है, उस आंसर को आप बाहेट कर लीजिए, डेफिनेशंस को और समझ के बाहेट कीजिए. गॉट इट? नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द साइंस फुल सिलेबस रिवीजन. Excuse me, please concentrate. These all questions are very important. You can read the question once and see to the answer, look at to the answer. If you are finding any difficulty in that, start practicing. In some chemical reactions there is no arrow mark, so please you can put arrow marks over there. You can pause, you can stop the video for some interval and you can read the answer, and you can again you can play and you can go further for the next question. And this is second chapter, acid, bases and salts. Here neutralization reaction, it is very important. And remember effect concentration of H plus ions. Children's question number 12, 13, 14. From here, from 12 to, from question number 12 from question number 12 till question number 26, almost all questions are very important. You should not neglect. And this is a diagram, is very important for your board exam. And next chapter, metals and non-metals. So these are the 1 mark carrying questions. Why does calcium float on the surface of the water? That is question number 11. Okay, question number 10, 11 is very important. Even question number 12 is also important. And remember question number 14 and 15. Question number 16 is very important. Do not neglect that question. Okay, you can find such type of questions also in give reason. Differences between roasting and calcination, Hermite reaction, what is an alloy, what is amalgam, properties of alloy, reactivity series, amphoteric oxides. Question number 29 is very important. You have to define mineral ore and gangue, and this is the manufacturing of dot structure of sodium chloride. Even these two diagrams are very important. Explain the process of electrolytic refining of copper with the help of label diagram. It's very important. This question may carry 3 marks in case if this question appears. Next chapter, carbon and its compounds, properties of covalent compounds. What is catenation? You have to explain catenation. It's important question. You want to explain catenation property. Next, differences between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Very important question. Question number 6, 7 is very important question. Please remember these dot structures. You can expect any question out of this. You want to draw these dot structures. And even question number 8. This is the molecular and structural formula of alkanes: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. And this is of alkenes: ethene, propane, butane, and one more you can add up, pentane. And this is of alkynes, that is ethyne, propyne, butane, pentane. And children, in this one more topic is left out, that is benzene, toluene and naphthalene. Please remember, that is very important question. You have to write the molecular and structural formula of benzene, toluene and naphthalene. Those are called as aromatic hydrocarbons. And remember the uses of benzene, toluene and naphthalene. Please make a note of this. Benzene, 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 toluene, naphthalene. You want to write the molecular and structural formula, as well you need to write their uses. And cyclohydrocarbons, that is cyclopropane, cyclobutane and cyclohexane. You need to remember. Okay. And what are isomers? And write the isomers of butane, pentane. What are isomers? And write the isomers of butane and pentane. You need to write the isomers of both. That is one question. Homologous series. Yeah, benzene, it has come. You can see this is benzene. This is cyclohexane. Uses of acetic. These are the isomers. Yes, it has come here. We can see these are the isomers of butane. So here he has given the example of isomers of butane. Functional group, different functional groups. And remember this table is important. You want to write the functional group of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. I said you from ethanol and ethanoic acid we can expect maximum chances are there. One question is definite. From ethanol and ethanoic acid, you should not miss. You either write the properties of both, or differences between ethanol and ethanoic acid, or uses of ethanol and ethanoic acid. Do not forget that particular area. It's important. So name the following compound. They will give you the structure. You have to name them. See, here has given the structure. Name is propanol. Next is butanol. Next is methanoic acid. You need to remember this. And next, name the following compound. Even here also they have given the structures. You have to name them. Please look at to the structures properly. These are the structures, and remember their names. electron dot structure and explain the formation covalent double bond between oxygen atoms. Define isomerism, very important, and structure of butane, structural isomers, that is you can see that is N-butane means normal butane. Normal butane is also called as N-butane. It's important question here. Please observe here carefully. And functional groups, differences between alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes. Here the first one is alkenes and this is alkenes. Second is alkenes. Here spelling mistake is there. Alkenes, that is alkenes, and next is alkynes. So remember this difference between alkenes and alkynes. And question number 12. And next question number 14, we can see differences between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Again, molecular and structural formula of methane, ethane, propane, butane. Molecular and structural formula of ethene, propane, butane, and this is of ethyne, propyne. Children, here you can expect one more question. Which is the first member of alkane group? Alkane group, which is the first member? That is methane. Which is the first member of alkene group? That is ethene. Which is the first member of alkyne group? That is ethyne. You should not forget this. First member means from where we are starting. So that is very important. What is addition reaction? Substitution reaction. Children, this is 3 mark question. How micelles are formed? Explain cleaning action of soap. It's important question. In hard water, detergents are better cleansing agents. Give reason. And next chapter, periodic classification of elements. Children, at least try to study these questions. At least try to study these questions. It's very important question. Next chapter, life process. Believe me, you can expect maximum questions from this material. Diagram of human alimentary canal. Children, this question is very important. Question number 10. What are the different ways in which glucose is oxidized to provide energy in various organisms? This question carries 3 marks. And you have to draw the diagram of this, that is breakdown of glucose in various pathways. Aerobic, anaerobic respiration. Differences between xylem and phloem. Human heart. Next, excretion. Next, control and coordination. Structure of neuron. Children, here you can expect a diagram based question. They may give you the diagram and they may ask you the question based on the diagram, from where it starts and where it ends. Plant hormones. What is feedback mechanism? Human brain. Next, how do organisms reproduce? You can pause it and you can study that answer. If you are going on explaining these answers, it takes more time, but we don't have that much sufficient time. That's the reason just I am giving these question and answers. This is very important. Why does menstruation occur, or what happens if egg is fertilized? And regarding this modes of reproduction, this question, that is different modes of asexual reproduction. So remember the diagrams. They can ask you diagram based question. You have to write in an order. Okay. Please concentrate the diagrams of that particular topic. Different types of contraceptions important. Sex hormones important. STD, and these differences are very important. Heredity and evolution. Children, in this we have not covered like maximum long answer carrying marks. Some questions are there we have to study. Apart from this material, even those questions also. Not only this much is sufficient. Okay. Fossil study methods is important. Acquired traits and inherited traits. Actually, that is first is acquired traits and second is inherited traits. But he has given both same. You can just change that. And next, coming back to physics. So these are the terms you need to remember. These are the terminologies. Maybe this question carries 3 marks. They may ask you 3 different definitions to define them. Define the following. So that's the reason you have to remember these definitions. Laws of reflection, types of mirror, and these ray diagrams are very important. Should not miss these ray diagrams. Please remember these uses. Okay, these are the basic questions. About lenses, remember this mirror formula, magnification, lens formula and its magnification, and these are the important conditions, sign conventions to solve the numerical, and this is the numerical, children, so you can just see to it. It is very important numericals. Okay, you can expect any one out of this. These all numericals are very important. Do not miss these numericals, and you write the formula and substitute the values. And here it's been given still more number of numericals. You can try by your own. Human eye and a colorful world, and this is very important definition and table. Defects of vision. Formation of rainbow, twinkling of stars, planets do not twinkle, sunrise, sunset, color of sky blue, water blue. Okay, color of sun is red, danger light. And this question number 18 is very important. Should not miss this. And you have to write, here he has asked draw a neat diagram. okay, for myopic eye with correction. But in exam they may ask you, you want to explain this, okay. So you have to write some definitions in front of this, some points you need to write. Remember, defects of vision, electricity. So these are the important definitions and formulas what we are going to use in this entire chapter to solve the numericals. These are very important. And remember these SI units. These 4 factors on which resistance of a conductor depends, very important question, children. Circuit diagram, series and parallel, it's important. And this is a basic numerical. So children, even from this you can expect definitely one question based on resistors are connected in series and parallel. So at least try to solve these numericals. Why is series arrangement not used for domestic circuit? It's important question. And why do voltmeters used to connected in parallel with resistor? Why ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit? And these circuit symbols are very important. You can definitely get one question from these circuit symbols. You need to practice. Definitely one question will be there from the circuit diagram. And this is magnetic effect of electric current. Here we have covered all 1 and 2 mark carrying questions. For long answer carrying marks you have to study, as I said you, working. Explain the construction working of electric motor. And about solenoid, okay, explanation question, solenoid, motor, generator, force acting on the conductor. Children, this question number 29 is very important. Even these all are basic questions. Next chapter, sources of energy. Diagram of biogas. Children, based on this question number 17, they can ask you the numerical, that is 10% rule. Okay, try to solve some numericals, some problems. What happens in plants? If it is 5,000, when it comes to ship it becomes 500, means 10% it is decreased. Again it becomes 10%. Like that they will ask you the question based on this 10% rule. So what is the amount of energy will be, okay, present in any of the middle? They can ask you. It's important question. They can ask you one question. Yeah, I hope you all are understanding. And even advantages of cloth bags over plastic bag during shopping, a very important question. Food web, food chain, trophic levels, okay. And you can draw the pyramid here. For question number 23, you can draw the pyramid which is there in your textbook, the diagram, and you can just write these steps, okay. And biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances, important question. Next, what is ozone layer, or which are the ozone layer gases, okay. ozone layer depletion. So which are the gases are responsible for the ozone layer depletion? They will ask you this question. And what is low ozone layer? What is CFCs? What are CFCs? Important question. And next chapter, sustainable management of natural resources. Stakeholders, destruction of forest, eco-friendly conservation of forest, reuse is better than recycling. 5 hours to practice. See children, based on these 5 hours, okay, just remember this basic things, okay, definitions. Based upon this, they can ask you some application question. So remember, what is the meaning of reuse, reduce, refuse, recycle? Okay, you should know this. And also you want to remember this, reuse is better than recycling of materials. Here he has given straightforward, but there somewhere he can add up the points as in our general use what we are going to use. They can give some example and they can ask you which is better, like that he can ask you the comparison. Got it? इसके अंदर reuse is better than recycling जो है बेटा, इसके अंदर से कोई भी application level question पूछा जा सकता, मेन आकर आप उसका आंसर को समझ के रहिए. Remember the answer. I hope you all have understood this. And finally, these are the important diagrams which is there in your syllabus. This is list of diagrams in science. And this video will be helpful for both class 10 CBSE and state students, for both of them. But diagrams differs, okay, between CBSE and state students. But definitely these diagrams are there. Addition to that, some more diagrams are there for CBSE students. Is this clear? I hope you all have understood this concept. These all question answers. Please, once you go through this entire material, definitely you can expect some very good marks. And practice diagrams, practice dot structures, practice circuit symbols, and basic definitions, differences and laws. So this will gives you the passing criteria. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked our channel or our videos, don't forget to subscribe Evershine Coaching Groups, that is our YouTube channel. Okay, wish you all the best of luck. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video to your all other friends. Thank you once again.